Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris General 1000s. Now, these UTV upgrade kits, they come in 3 different options to fit your personal preferences and your budget. Now, each of the kits come with some of the most popular accessories for these side-by-sides, and that's going to help give you a better overall riding experience and more comfort while you're out on the trail. Now, an added bonus of getting everything in a kit is it's going to save you some money. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in each of the kits. To start out, we'll be looking at the Stage 1 upgrade kit. Now, the Stage 1 kit is the most basic and affordable option out of the 3, but it comes with the essential items to not only make your machine stand out, but it's also going to help it look good and give you a more comfortable ride. So what this kit includes is, number 1, you have the removable abrasion resistant half windshield. This is going to give you some protection from things coming inside the cab, but still allow a little bit of airflow in there to keep you cool. Now, the second item that comes in the kit is the alloy UTV Mirror Kit. Now, you've got to be able to see behind you, and this is a great option. These are super durable, and they mount to the A-pillars. That way you don't have a big bulky clamp getting in the way of your half windshield. Now, the third item in the kit is the profile aluminum roof. This is a staple item for any side-by-side, and that's why it comes in all 3 kits. Now, this is going to give you some shade while you're out on your ride and help protect you from the elements. Next up, we have the Stage 2 upgrade kit. This is going to be perfect for the person that wants some premium accessories on their machine, still at a great price. So the thing that stays the same from the Stage 1 kit is the profile aluminum roof. That's a staple for any side-by-side, like I just mentioned. But the things that get upgraded are, number 1, the removable full windshield. So this is going to give you maximum protection in the front. It's going to keep rain, wind, and other debris out of the cab. But if you have a really hot day and you want maximum airflow in there, again, this is easily removable, so you can do that. The second thing that gets upgraded is the mirrors. So we have the pivot folding mirrors on here. What's nice about these is, number 1, they're super durable. The mirror itself is shatter resistant, but if something does hit it, it can either pop forward or pop backward, whatever way you hit something, and then you can just move the mirror right back out where you want it. Now, the final upgrade over the Stage 1 kit is the Polycarb rear window. Now, what's nice about this is it not only helps enclose the cab, but it's going to protect you and your passenger from the weather. Last, we're going to be looking at the premium option from Tusk. This is the Stage 3 upgrade kit. Now, it does keep some of the same items from the Stage 2 upgrade kit. So we've got the profile aluminum roof, the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts, and the Polycarb rear window. But the serious upgrades are going to be, number 1, the folding glass windshield. Now, what's nice about this is you have a lot of different options with this windshield to better suit your riding needs throughout the day. It's super durable. It's made out of laminated safety auto glass, and it has a windshield wiper for when the windshield does get dirty. And if things are starting to warm up throughout the day, you always have vents. You can let some airflow into the cab. Or if it gets really hot, you can simply fold the windshield down and allow maximum airflow into the cab. The other benefit of the Stage 3 kit is the cargo rack. Now, what's nice about this is you can strap down a cooler, camping gear, or a toolbox, or anything in between to the top. You have plenty of tie down points, and you still have room underneath for a spare tire or anything else you want to bring. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris General 1000s. Now, if you need one of these kits, they're available on our website, and no matter what kit you go with, we have an install video to help guide you through that process. Now, if you have any questions about this stuff, leave those questions down in the comments below, and if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching.